Hey guys, so I was thinking, this is another knife EDC compilation video. It's basically what I carry on any given day. And in this video, you're going to see also a lot of knives from one of my awesome subscribers and friends, David Curley. And also another one of my subscribers recently sent me a picture too of this really great LCO fixed blade knife he bought at a trading post in Arizona. So why am I telling you this? Well, if you want to send me an email of your EDC, what you carry during the day, then go ahead and email it to me. If you want me to use it in one of my future videos, I'll go ahead and I'll include it in a daily EDC compilation video that I'll upload in weeks to come. So if you want to have your knife up on YouTube, you send me a picture of what you carry for your EDC, and we'll go ahead and put that up for you. All right? Thank you so much. Include your name on there if maybe you want me to include your name on there too or mention you. If not, just your email. I will not include your email or any contact information, but only if you want. If you want me to include your name, include it, and I might mention your name, and that's about it. All right, amigos, check out this daily EDC compilation I have for you. Just to get an idea of how we do it down here in South Texas and how David Curley does it too. All right, guys, take care.